Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing some outdoor light. But guys, did you know that having adequate outdoor lighting can increase your property value? Yes guys, having adequate lighting increases your property value by about 5 to 10%. I was shocked to know that. It improves the aesthetics of your environment, it improves the curb appeal, and it's good for security purposes. So I got these lights from Amazon. They are the solar powered swaying lights. They comes in a variety of packaging. This one is a 8-pack, but I think they had a 4-pack or a 6-pack. But I wanted to use it in the garden and also around my tree in the middle. It feels sturdy, it's lightweight, and it's very easy to install according to the manufacturer. So let's go, let's see what it's like.
Just push them in the ground?
Yeah. Ooh. 6 of them. I want two.
Two at the corners, one here.
No, I want 2 in there at the,
Yeah, that's
call
in the
it.
ground. Oh, this is just sort of.
Hello, I want 2 over there, so only 4 in this garden now.
So where you want?
It should have longer, not true.
Yeah.
I wonder if it come with something in it.
An extension?
No, it come with extension. See
Oh, look. No. Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah, I say. That
These
don't
are
look
they're
right.
Yeah, because I was saying. Oh, you
So
man.
guys, it come with the extension
So this can.
to make it longer. Because I was wondering what is going
I
on.
don't know what you were doing. It's true. All right, let's look back.
Deeper.
Right.
Put it a little deeper.
Good, like that.
That it not blow down easy. Guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Sherby and you're on Roam and Renovate channel. If you like home decor, anything lifestyle, travel, profession, stay tuned and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. So far easy to install. I like that it comes with warm lights and it is waterproof also. And so far very lightweight, easy to install, and I can't wait to see tonight the beauty that it radiates. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I also made an investment in some pathway lights. These I got from Amazon as well. They are 8-pack pathway lights. I bought the brown to go back with the aesthetic of my house, and I'm sure this will improve my lighting and the curb appeal and just the overall aesthetics of the front yard. So as I said, they come in 8-pack. I brought the brown, but I saw black and white as well. I love the fact that they're eco-friendly. It's solar powered, and also it's waterproof. And according to the manufacturer, it's supposed to be long lasting. So I can't wait to have these for many, many years to come. I'm hoping that these 8 will be sufficient because my front yard is a little bit long, so I'm gonna try and space them out evenly on either sides. And stay tuned for the overall look, and let's see the installation, guys. Stay tuned.
It's not hard because I got this.
They say must soften the dirt or something. Soften the dirt. Oh, you might. So this is the end product, guys, and I'm totally loving it. I just wish I got some more of the swaying lights to add more in the garden, but I'm loving it so far. But if you enjoy this video, feel free to leave your tips and ideas of how you can improve your curb appeal with lighting. And remember, there are other lights you can use. You can use string lights. There are so many other lights on the market. But let me know if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, leave your comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.